Or, yeah. Lincoln! He's a baby. Hey guys, so today I've got my empties, which normally I use this bag for, but this month they won't fit all in there. So let me just get it started. I'll put a link to the products I liked for you to check out. Anyway, so this is the Hand Skin Pore Cleansing Balm. I actually really liked it. It does a good job cleansing. A little bit goes a long way. This tub, I don't know, this one lasted me several months. I usually only use a cleansing balm when I don't shower. Like every other day I'll try and not wash my hair. So anyway, so like every other day I just wash my face at the sink. This one does a good job. Removes everything. Just finished that this morning. I still love this BB cream. I don't know. I've tried dozens of BB balms, blemish balms, and this one just, I like it. I already repurchased it during the Sephora sale. It does a good job. The color's a pretty good match. The ingredient list isn't super exciting, and I don't really take it that it has SPF 40 sunscreen in it, but probably has some sunscreen, but probably not 40. But Dr. Jarrett's one of the ones that have had some issues. So anyway, I finished this one. This one I made last a long time because it was so expensive, although when I initially picked it up, I got it with like 20% cash back and like 20% off or something, so it was a good deal. I used it over a long time. It does make a huge difference. It is worth the money. I hate saying it because it's freaking expensive, but if you have extra money and you want to spend on skincare, this is something that actually works. Although there's a good dupe from Revive Serum. So here we go, adapalene gel. You know what? There might be you might have to cut this out open tonight and see if I can get one more use out of it. But anyway, I always use up those. The Skin Fix Hand Repair Cream. This is the hand cream brand that actually got me into hand creams. Every winter, my hands would get so dry. They're still dry right now, but anyway, this stuff's amazing. It doesn't make your hands feel greasy or anything. The Tatcha Essence. Still like this one. Wanted to finish it up because I've tried some new essences. For the price, it's expensive. It's a good one. It has no fragrance in it. Really short ingredient list, but I'm trying some other ones now. So, I don't know. I still like this one. I'd still use it. The Volition Beauty Ocean Youth Boost Gel. I like Volition Beauty. You know what? You really have to look at their ingredients list because most of their products are good, but they have a few products that have a little bit of fragrance in them. This one doesn't. Really like it. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, here we go. Another Skin Fix bottle. I bought all these when they were on sale at clearance when they rebranded. I bought all their old bottles because it was like $2. And I'm still going through them. So, finally finished this one up, the La Roche-Posay Lipicare. This one is a great all-purpose wash. I used it more for body, but occasionally I'd use it on my face when I was in a hurry. The Ilione Ceramide Adogel. Excuse me. This brand just came out with a new line today. I think a Derma line is what they're calling it. So it looks exciting. So I'm going to try that out next. This one is a good one, though. What else do we have? Oh, this was my old BB Beauty Blender. Actually, it looks better in this picture, but last time I used it, little pieces of it were flaking off, so I decided to use a new one, which was the Trendmood one that came in a Trendmood box. But this other beauty blender lasts me a year, so it's pretty good. Paula's Choice Resist Brightening Essence. They stopped making this one, and I finally finished up. I had a few bottles in reserve, and I just finished those up, so there we go. Let's see, what else do we have? Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Love this stuff. Use it every night. Love it, love it, love it. Really good ingredient list. Started out with fragrance in it, then they made it fragrance-free. Geek and Gorgeous Vitamin C Glow Serum. Love this stuff. If there's no other vitamin C serums I have to test, this is the one I go back to. I love this one. And Timeless is great too, but this one's really nice. What else do we have? Oh, this was a lip balm. I kept it on my nightstand. What's this? They have different flavors. Coffee bean. It's a good lip balm. Lincoln really likes it. I'll tell you that. So, okay, what else do we have? A little tiny sample of the Double Repair Moisturizer. These samples that they have are so tiny. But it expired, so I figured I should finish it up and use it. I've got a few masks. The Claire's Rich Moist Mask. I really like this one. I'm not a huge sheet mask fan because they just take so much effort to apply, but this one was good. This was samples of supplements they gave me, and I finally used them because I looked at the ingredient list of these supplements and they weren't terrible. It was just more like a a multivitamin supplement. You take 2 at night, 2 in the morning. I don't know. Another supplement. I'm trying to use these without wasting them. I don't know, whatever. This was a vitamin D supplement. Not super exciting. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Serum. I still love this one. I mean, it's pricey, but it's a good serum. So I think that's about it. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys what you used up this month. This was an epic month. A lot of big bottles. I made a lot more room in my storage so I can buy more stuff. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys what you emptied this month. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.